First Lady,
Mrs. Michelle Obanshell.
Good
You
evening,
know-
Madam. Good evening.
Good evening, Eugene.
Eugene?
Eugene.
You're so tall.
Yeah, and you're so short.
Okay, let's stop now.
Good evening, Philippines. Good evening, Filipinos. And good evening to all the televiewers here at Comedy Bar.
Wow.
It is my first honor to be here in this show for the first time. You see, when I first got the invitation to speak in front of everybody tonight, at first, I was afraid. I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and now I'm not afraid anymore. In fact, right now, I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm so excited. Just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control, but I think I like it. So good evening. Oh, before, lest I forget, of course, I would like to make a big shout out to all the victims of the recent typhoon that entered the Philippine area of responsibility. What's the name again? I hope I pronounced it right. Basiang. Yeah, Basiang. Well, all I can say to all the victims of that typhoon is that at the end of the storm, there's a silver lining, and that you can make it through the rain and stand up once again. And you'll live one more day. And yes, you're gonna make it through the rain. Well, anyway. Well, before I proceed, I would like to apologize. I was supposed to come here to your country with my husband, but he's attending to so many problems back in America. The oil spill, the global economic crisis, healthcare issues, headache, toothache, muscle pain, dysmenorrhea, dyspepsia, and diarrhea. And of course, aside from the fact that he thinks that it's very expensive to fly from America to the Philippines. Yeah, he doesn't want to spend that much money. That's why his name is Barat. Yeah, Barack Obamshell. Well, in any case, I would like to congratulate the Filipino nation because finally you have inaugurated a new president. A brand new president means a brand new page in Philippine history. I was supposed to be there in the inauguration. Unfortunately, I was late. That's why I made it to the inaugural dinner, and I was surprised because of the menu. The menu was actually a tribute to your president's family. The first course, a tribute to his mother, chicken curry. And the next course, a tribute to his sister, crispy pata. And for dessert, we have a tribute to his father, isang platitong maninoy. And of course, for pulutan, we had a balut and pinoy. And it was so delicious. I enjoyed the dinner. And all I can say right now is that you should be happy now that you have a new president. Because I was watching and I was following the whole circus of the whole, proceedings of the elections. And all I can say is that if you believe in yourselves as a nation, you should look into your hearts and search for that voice that shouts out, yes, we can. Now, I want everybody, shout it out with me. Come on now. Yes, we can. Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
Louder now. Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
Oh my God, you're so short. Are you from Pandacan? Come on, you say Pandacan.
Pandacan.
Oh, you're not. Are you Filipino? Well, anyway, I am so happy for everybody. That's why from the United States, I brought fireworks from Bulacan. Once again, this is your first lady, not a white lady, Michelle Obanshell, telling everyone, wishing you all joy and happiness. But above all this, I wish you love. I will always love you. Thank you.
Miss Michelle. One thing I have noticed, you were just reciting lines from songs. Can you also sing?
Oh, and I wish you joy and happiness. But above all this, I wish you love.
Nice one!
Yeah.
What about the first song?
Oh, What about the first song? Oh, at first,
Nakalimutan,
yeah.
nakalimutan.
at first I was afraid.
Yes.
I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side.
Oh!
Then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. Now I'm gonna strong, and I learned how to get and so you're back from outer space.
Miss Michelle, about your ladies and gentlemen.
Umarte na parang meron ka na namang nakanta. Hindi ako natuwa sa kanta mo. Kumanta ka ng iba.
Oh, yung gusto ko request.
May request sila, single ladies.
Ay, gusto ko yan.
Yung pang Christmas.
Paano ba yan?
All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies.
Hindi
Put your
ganyan.
hands up.
Hindi ganyan.
Ano ba?
Ganun yan.
Sabay-sabay ah. All single ladies, all single ladies, all single ladies, single all the way. Hey, put your hands up. This is a whole time. Ano ba request?
Meron pa.
Ano pa?
Ay, ano, till there was you down.
Till there was you.
Maganda yun,
Ay, ganda yan, the Beatles yan. There were bells in the hills, and I never heard them ringing. No, I never heard them at all. Till there was you.
Hindi ganyan.
Hindi na naman ganun. Ano na naman?
Saka mabagal eh. There were bells on the hill. It's Christmas time in the city. Ganon. Ay, ano?
May isa pa request.
Ay, nobody.
Oh, nobody.
Ay, alam natin lahat yun. Oh. Sige, gusto mo,
Sige
pakata mo.
nga. I want nobody.
Tama! Tama!
Hindi ganyan. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. Ba't hindi pa nain ang kanyang damdamin? Ano ko'y mapansin?
Ano ba yun? Bumaba ka na bago ikaw pa na.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat!
Si Petite.
All rise. People of the Philippines versus Philomena Felicidad alias Fifi na nagkasala sa pagpaslang at ikaw ay nahatulan ng deklarasyon perpetua o habang buhay na pagkabalinggo. Maaari mo bang salaysay kung anong tunay na nangyari? And timer starts now. Ting ding, ting ding, ting ding, ting ding.
Ako si Fifi. Kilalang kilala sa pangalang Fifi Futamus. Isa po akong katulong, kasambahay, maid, pero proud ako dahil marami akong alam na gawain sa loob at sa labas ng bahay. Sa loob ng bahay, kaya kong maglaba, kaya kong kumain, kaya kong magluto, kaya kong magplansya, lahat kaya ko. Sa labas ng bahay, kaya kong magtap ng cable, kaya kong magtap ng tubig, pati jumper, kaya ko yan. Kaya ibang klase ako. Dahil sa sobrang husay ko, minsan na masukan ako bilang isang kasambahay sa isang mayamang pamilya sa Ilocos. Ang bahay nila napakalaki. Ang kwarto ay 252. Kadami.
Bahay pa ba yun?
May eskwelahan. Kalahati boarding house. Pero sa araw-araw na ginawa ng Diyos, naglilinis ako. At bukod doon, kailangan ko paalagaan ng isang matandang may sakit na cancer na tanging mga makina lang bumubuhay sa katawan niya. Hanggang isang araw, si Ma'am kumakain, sinasaluhan ko. Bigla ko nasagi yung respirator. Nag-iisay si ma'am, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Siyempre, magaling ako. First aid agad. Minout to mouth ko si ma'am. Pero namatay si ma'am. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Ang naaalala ko lang, kakakain ko lang nun ng polvoron. Pinalayas nila ako sa mansyon. Umiiyak ako, nalulungkot kasi minsan hindi ko napabayaan ang trabaho ko. Dahil magaling ako, kinuha na naman ako ng isang kinikilala at tinitingalang tao sa Pilipinas. Isa itong may katungkulan, Major.
Major.
Pero ang trabaho ko pala, babantayan ko ang kanyang asawa na nakatira sa probinsya, samantalang siya nakadestino sa Manila. Ang ganda ni ma'am, nakilala ko siya. Pero ang cheap pala ng kanyang asawa. Kasi ang pangalan kong Fifi, pinalitan nila ng Inday. Ang cheap. Si Sel madalang kong umuwi, lahat lang text, lahat lang phone calls. Habang naglilinis ako isang gabi, nag-ring ang phone.
Kring. Kiririring. Kiririring. Kiririring.
Hello?
Ang send mo to.
Sir, good evening po. Good evening po.
Sinong amo mo?
Siyempre kayo po.
Sino nagpapasweldo sa'yo?
Sir, kayo po.
Sino ang masusunod?
Kayo po.
Okay. Inday,
Sir?
ang ma'am mo.
Kakapanik lang po sa taas, tulog na po siguro.
Ano ginagawa?
Tulog nga po.
Paki-double check.
Humihilik na si ma'am, confirm, tulog na po.
Good. Kumuha ka ng unan.
Unan?
Oo.
Anong kulay?
Yung pink, yung akin. Tulog ba si ma'am mo? Tulog ba?
Opo.
Okay. Itakip mo sa mukha.
Itakip ko sa mukha.
Itakip mo sa mukha.
Sir naman.
Sino ang amo mo?
Kayo!
Sino nagpapasweldo sa'yo? Sino ang masusunod? Itakip mo sa mukha. Itakip mo sa mukha. Oh. Inday! Inday! Oh. Bakit?
Si ma'am. Bayonet na si ma'am. Napatay ko si ma'am.
Job well done, Inday Mimi.
Sir, hindi po ako si Inday Mimi. Inday Fifi po.
Ibig mo sabihin, hindi kasi Inday Mimi, M-I-M-I?
Hindi po, F-I-F-I.
Ay, wrong number.
Diyos ko, napatay ko si ma'am. Napatay ko si ma'am. Napatay ko si ma'am. Asawa niya ng Major. Ano sasabihin ko sa kanya? Major, wag po. Your Honor, yung pong totoo nangyari. I'm innocent. I'm not guilty. Yun ang nangyari.